Welcome to this Safe Medicate video tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring how to sit a healthcare numeracy assessment. All assessments scheduled by a university or institution are accessible via the Assessments module. To begin, click on Modules on the main menu, and on the drop-down menu, click on the Start Modules link associated with the Assessments module. Any assessments that have been scheduled and are available to you will be visible as shown on screen. The title bar of the assessment entry shows the type of assessment, in this example, Healthcare Numeracy Assessment. As you can see, the left side of the screen shows the details of the assessment, including the time, date, duration, allowed attempts, any extra time allowed, the type of assessment, formative or summative, the area of practice, and whether the on-screen calculator will be available to you. Note that you can only sit an assessment on the day and time it has been scheduled for. The right side of the screen is where you enter the assessment password. Your instructor or local Safe Medicate administrator will have given this to you in advance of the assessment. Please note that the Safe Medicate team do not set these passwords, and you have to contact your university or local administrator if you do not have the password for any of the assessments that you've been scheduled. To start an assessment, enter the assessment password and click Start. After submitting the correct assessment password, you will see the screen shown above. This screen provides more detailed information about the assessment you are about to sit. Note, if you do not complete the assessment within the time limit, you will be allowed to complete the question that you are currently working on, and then your assessment will be saved. Click Start Assessment when you are ready to begin. As shown on screen, you will see that the numbered boxes at the top of the screen identify your position within the question sequence. In this example, question 1 of 30. The time remaining to complete the assessment is shown in the title bar of the screen, which is being highlighted on screen now. In this first step, you are prompted to watch the video tutorial on the right-hand side. Hover your mouse over the video and click to watch the example on how to answer the question for this section. Next, once you are ready to start this section, click Continue to begin. As shown on screen, you must work out the problem and insert your answer by clicking on the text box and typing in the numeric value. If you need some guidance on how to answer this type of question, click the question mark symbol on the top right hand side to rewatch the video tutorial. If your organisation has allowed a calculator for use in this assessment, you can use the calculator provided as shown on screen to work out the problem. To use the calculator, click on the numeric values, in this example 998 plus 802, and then follow with the equals sign to arrive at the answer of 1800. Once you've finished using the calculator, click the off button to close the calculator. Insert your answer by clicking on the text box and typing in the numeric value as shown on screen. When you're happy with your answer, click Continue to move on to the next question. Once you've completed the 3 questions in each domain, you will be notified as shown on screen. At this stage, you will have the opportunity to review and retry the question for this section. Note that you will only be able to review or retry this section at this stage. Once you've clicked Continue, you will move on to the next section and you will not be able to revisit this section. You will now be presented with the next section. As before, you will have the opportunity to watch a video tutorial on how to answer these types of questions. Once you've completed all questions in each numeracy domain, click Finish to save the assessment. Your assessment will then be saved. Click Exit Assessment to return to the main assessment page. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any further queries regarding how to sit a healthcare numeracy assessment, then please refer to your user guides.